Welcome to the Launch ICO section. To get started, please log in or register for membership if you are new. Welcome to ICO Contract Owner. Now get started with verifying your account. This is the dashboard section. See your total invoice amount, pending settlements, transaction volume, total sales volume, and amounts here. This is the View Investors section. This is the Withdrawal section. Withdraw your balance to the Paybito wallet or external wallet. This is the Settings section. Edit your contract owner profile, approved volume and order settings here. Welcome to the Exchange Settings section, where you can set your exchange rate. This is the Payment section. View all types of payments, including both completed and pending transactions. This is the List Asset section. Unlock the opportunity to create a new asset today. This page allows you to list your assets on your exchange and across the networks of like-minded brokers, maximizing your reach and potential. This is your investment link. You can add vesting from here. This is the User Management section. Add Subcontract Owner list from here. This User Settings page allows you to change your name, enable two-factor authentication, and phone authentication. Update your phone number or change your password.